Good morning, everyone. My name is Russ Van Coller, and I cover the offshore healthcare as well as the local healthcare and consumer staples. So quickly to take you through this presentation, the presentation will focus on Johnson Johnson and Pfizer, but I'll sort of give an overview on the global healthcare and the global pharmaceuticals as a whole and what's sort of been prominent talking points in the last 12 to 18 months. So obviously we've had the weight loss drugs from Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk, with a couple of other guys coming on board now with their own versions. We've got patent cliffs which are coming towards the end of this decade. It is the largest that they've ever seen, with about $220 billion in revenue being affected across multiple companies. And then on the back of that, we will see mergers and acquisitions as we have seen. And then I'll just touch briefly on the orphan drug situation and why people are flocking towards that. And then I'll finish up with the two companies that the report mainly focuses on.